Welcome all of you to my new video. Know the relation of current, resistance and voltage, part 2. We start with voltage. Voltage, it is measured in volt or V, is the pressure of push behind the flow of current. It is also referred as potential difference. A voltmeter is used to measure the voltage. It is placed parallel to the components to measure the voltage in a circuit, which is shown in the diagram. Resistance. Resistance measured in ohms is a measure of how much a material opposes the flow of electric current going through it. The greater the resistance, the more energy is needed to push the current through the component, which can affect the overall performance of electrical circuits. An ohmmeter is used to measure the amount of resistance present when a current is passed through the particular component. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across it, provided the temperature remains constant. This is explained in the formula. Current I is equal to voltage Q divided by resistance ohm. You can watch the Ohm's law through these calculations. Example. Calculate the voltage or potential difference through a resistor with a resistance of 40 ohm with a current of 0.6 ampere flowing through it. So we can calculate in two steps. Step 1, what are the given and missing values? Step 2, which formula will be using? So we can start with step 1. Current A, 0.6 ampere already given, and resistor is 40 ohms already given. So we don't know the voltage, so we have to find out. So step 2, which formula will be using? So current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. This is the formula we have to use. So that voltage is equal to current into resistance. So we can go to step 3. Substitute the values. V is equal to I into ohm. So V is equal to I into R is the formula. So that is V is equal to 0.6 ampere as I into 40 ohms as resistance. So we can solve the problem. Step 4. V is equal to already given 0.6 amps into resistance is equal to 40 ohms. So V is equal to I into R is equal to 24 volt. So the answer is the voltage through a resistor that has a resistance of 40 ohms with a current of 0.6 ampere flowing through it is 24 volt. So can you try this? If the current is increased from 0.6 ampere to 2.2 ampere while maintaining the same voltage of 24 volt. So what will be the new resistance required in the circuit? To solve the problem, so we can go 4 steps to find out the answer. Step 1. What are the given and missing values in the question? Step 2. Which formula we'll be using? And next, step 3 and 4, substitute the values and solve the problem. So we can start with step 1. Current 2.2 ampere already given. Voltage we know is equal to 24 volt. So we want to know what is the resistance used in the circuit. So step 2, which formula will be using? I is equal to V by R or V by ohm need to be used. So ohm is equal to voltage divided by current. R is equal to V by I. So you can go for step 3 and 4. Substitute the values and then solve. Ohm is equal to, what is the formula? Ohms is equal to voltage divided by current is equal to voltage 24 volt divided by 2.2 ampere as current is equal to 10.9 ohms. The new resistance required in this circuit will be 10.9 ohms. In this video, so we will have a look into the summary, current, voltage and resistance. Current. Current is the rate of flow of charge in a circuit. This flow is the form of electrons flowing through a circuit. Current is measured in amps, symbol of A. To measure the current using ammeter. Voltage. Voltage is the pressure of push behind the flow of current. It is measured in volt. Symbol is V using a voltmeter. Voltage is also referred to as potential difference in the circuit. Resistance. Resistance opposes the current of flow and is measured in ohms. It can be calculated by dividing the voltage by the current. End of this video, I am giving you a challenge of the day just for your reference. Research about how resistors function in circuits. Find the current variations, both series and parallel circuits. Please enter your findings in the comment column. In our earlier videos, already mentioned parallel and series circuits. Please go through it and you can find out series and parallel. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for getting all tutorial videos on time. Thank you.